Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can unblock somebody on Skype. So, to begin with, tap on your profile or profile avatar at the top left corner of the screen, then go into settings over here, onwards enter the contacts category, go for the blocked contacts page, and in here you'll have the full list of contacts that have been previously blacklisted by you. So once you would like to remove somebody from this list or unblock the contact respectively, tap at the unblock button to the contact's right, and that would be it. The contact has been successfully unblocked, as you can see. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.